Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann on March 23, 2022 said his government will make efforts for getting martyr status for Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Interacting with family members of Bhagat Singh, Mr. Mann said, "It is unfortunate that even at this moment of 75 years of independence, this status has not been bestowed on him. The entire nation will always be indebted to this great martyr for steering the country out of clutches of British imperialism." In December 1928, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru plotted the British officer James Scott's assassination in Lahore to avenge the death of freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai. In a case of mistaken identity, Assistant Superintendent of Police John Saunders was shot dead and Bhagat Singh had to flee Lahore to escape the death penalty. In 1929, he and an associate lobbed a bomb at Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi to protest the implementation of Defence of India Act, and they surrendered. He, at his age 23, along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, were hanged for murder of Saunders. Ministry of Home Affairs informed the Lok Sabha that stature of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were far above any award or title or status. When asked why the freedom fighters had not been accorded with the martyr status yet. On December 8, 2021, the MHA informed Rajya Sabha that there were no such official nomenclature as martyrs. It stated that no official recognition can be given to anybody as a martyr, as Article 18 of the Constitution does not permit conferring of any title by the state government. Even if the government doesn't assign the title of martyr, Bhagat Singh's involvement and input in our independence movement is known to every Indian. What are your views on the subject? We already address him as Shaheed Bhagat Singh. Should the title be made official? Let us know in the comments.